Hi, my name is Elvire Smith, and I'd like to welcome you to my blog. Thank you for coming and visiting here. I'm reaching out to you. I like to get to know you a little bit. I like to find out how I can assist you in moving forward in your business or in your life, in improving yourself perhaps. I just like to get to know you, how and in what way and where I can assist you. But I fully understand that you're not going to tell me anything unless you know a little bit more about me. And that makes all the sense to me. Why open up if I don't open up, right? So here I am. Allow me to tell you more about who I am and what I do. I am a stay-at-home baby boomer, and I create a fabulous lifestyle with my online social media marketing business. I'm passionate about becoming the best that I can possibly be, and I'm also very passionate about assisting others do the same, create that fabulous lifestyle for themselves, especially baby boomers, and of course, create a great income from doing that. Now, I express myself in blogs, I do that in Word, I do that in video, and I openly share my experiences in life, my pitfalls perhaps, but also what I've learned, because I'd love for you and for others to learn and just, get some shortcuts and then just have joy, have fun with it. I work with an incredible team, and you will see that here below. I work with the Prosperity team, and they have allowed me to go from honest to Pete, in January of 2013, from an almost total novice on social media to a very, very savvy online social media marketer right now. Their trainings are phenomenal. They are live for the most part. They are webinars, they are Hagenars. And what they do, it's actually almost like a Harvard University education. They share their own experiences. And these are people, these are men and women who have earned their laurels, who are making enough money to live the lifestyle that they choose. And what they have most is what I'm striving for. And what I want to ask you too, what is what you desire most in life? My biggest desire is freedom, to have freedom to do exactly what I want to do, when I want to do it, with whomever, and not ever having to worry about paying bills and all that sort of mundane stuff. Purchasing things that I feel I want to have in my life without always looking at price tags. Isn't that what freedom is all about? So we have the tools, we share the knowledge in our team. And with that said, I would like for you to get to know us. Below here, you see the links, you see the telephone numbers, and feel free to go through the entire material so you have an idea of who we are, because we would like you to become a part of our family. We would like you to feel at home with us. We would like you to feel that you belong, have the best experience ever. That's what we would like for you to have by joining our team. So go through it, take your time, but don't take too long. Don't analyze it to death, because you know what? That's a shame. Listen to the information, but mostly listen to your own feelings. What are your feelings telling you? Are you getting excited when you listen to a call, when you are participating in a webinar, a live webinar, or perhaps a recorded webinar? Don't dabble too long. Don't kill those feelings, because you know what? It is simply a $25 solution, a decision that you make to join us. And it's actually also refundable, because if you feel that after 29 days that you don't really feel you got any value from what we have to offer you, just let me know and I'll refund you the $25. So there is absolutely no risk. The only risk is that you will turn into a very savvy online social media marketer, and also much better probably in communicating on various levels. That will become more clear once you have joined our team, because we're all about personal improvement. We love that, personal development. So with that said, I look forward to connecting with you. I look forward to, as we always say, walking on the beaches of the world with you, assisting you in getting there. It's all possible for you. You just have to make the decision. Go through the material. There is a button. check it all out and just join us. There is no risk. Thank you for watching this video. I truly appreciate you.